Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be learning how to blend up to 5 images together in Midjourney's new blend function. First thing we're going to do is learn how to blend 2 images together. So just get into Midjourney here, go /blend, and you'll see a new UI comes up that allows you to drag and drop images right into Midjourney, no more URLs. We're going to start with Paul Rudd, cool guy, and Harry Potter, and see what we can get. All right, so we got a return here. It's everything you hoped it would be, an alternate universe where Paul Rudd is Harry Potter, the boy who survived. So if you want to kick it up a notch from here and blend up to 5 images together, it's the same workflow. Hit blend. You'll have image 1, 2, drop your images in there, and then on the back end here where you could add a prompt, you can just select image 3, image 4, image 5 for up to 5 images seamlessly blended together. So that's it. Now that you know how to blend images, it's time to get creative. You can put together people and animals, different celebrities, take an animated hero, make them live action, take a drawing, make it look 3D. The possibilities are limitless, so get out there and get creative. That's it for today's video. If you learned how to use the blend function and you had a lot of fun, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and keep coming back to the Polyform channel for all types of great tech content.